Hi, my name's Sally Trotman and I work with astrology, numerology and the tarot as tools for personal development, helping you to make empowered choices in all areas of your life. So I'm going to talk to you today about what's going on in the stars over the next few days, and I'm also going to take an angel card for guidance. So as you listen to this forecast, I want you to think about anything which is challenging you at the moment, any problems or any questions or anything you feel you need guidance on, and hopefully this is going to answer some of those questions for you. So just starting off with what's going on astrology wise right now, we've got the sun moving into the sign of Capricorn. So the sun moved yesterday from Sagittarius to Capricorn, so into this earth sign, this lovely grounded earth sign. So although we tend to be rushing about at this time of year, now is the time to ground yourself, slow down and get out in nature and try to enjoy the time as much as you can. Capricorn is about getting organised as well, so it's having a balance between being organised, getting the stuff done you need to, but taking time out for yourself to be in nature, to ground and connect with the lovely healing energies of Mother Earth at this time, to replenish you and rejuvenate you, because we are at the darkest point in the year. Well, we've just had the solstice, so there's a little bit more light now coming into the northern hemisphere, reminding you to focus on the positives in your life, to remind you to focus on what is good and what you're grateful for and where there's hope and what is working in your life, and not to focus on your fears. There's a lot of fear around at the moment. It's very easy to drop into that. So try to choose the light, choose the hope, and choose the abundance and all of the good things that are there for you at the moment. So we've got the sun in Capricorn, we've got Venus and Pluto in Capricorn. They've been sitting together there for about 2 or 3 weeks now, helping you to empower yourself in your relationships, to speak up, to say what you need, and also in your working life and money. So are you valuing yourself? Are you receiving what you need financially? Do you need to ask for a pay rise, or is it time to apply for a promotion perhaps? Because this Capricorn energy is wanting you to activate the ambitious side of you, to get focused on your work and where you're going. And we've also got Mercury in the sign of Capricorn as well, which is all about communicating in an organised fashion what it is that you need in terms of money and finances, and what do you need to do with your money for the future. How can you make your money grow for you? So yeah, there's lots of Capricorn energy helping you to create strong foundations in your life and to take practical action and to get organised and to focus on your finances for the future as well as for the here and now. So we've got the moon in Leo today, which is a lovely sunny optimistic sign. So this is a great time for socialising, in fact, and being with friends and family and loved ones. The moon's going to be in Virgo on Saturday. So Virgo is, again, an earth sign. So try and get out for a walk on Saturday and have some fresh air. And it can be the sign of the perfectionist as well. So you might feel like you've got to get everything right on Christmas Day. Just relax into the flow of it, because the moon will then be moving into Libra on Monday, Tuesday, which is all about relaxation, harmony, balance. So it should be a nice restful Boxing Day. And then we've got the moon moving into Scorpio for a couple of days, helping you to go within and to really look at what is true for you as you reflect on this year. So as we come to the end of the year, it's a great time to reflect on what is working for you, what isn't, what do you need to release, and what do you want to focus on as we go into the new year. And then on New Year's Eve, we have got the moon in the sign of Sagittarius, which is a really fun, optimistic, upbeat sign. So enjoy that New Year's Eve energy with friends. Whatever you do, it's all about fun. Moon in Sag, I always think it's all about having fun, enjoying yourself, and being the life and soul of the party with Sagittarius. Maybe depending on what happens, as we don't exactly know what's going to be happening, do we, in the country, in the world, even as we get to New Year's Eve. I was going to say it's a time for adventure. So even if you can't travel that far, do something different to what you would normally do on New Year's Eve. Okay, so let's take an angel card and see what the guidance is. Okay, this top card is looking at me, and it is vision. This is really appropriate because this is about what is your vision for 2022? Are you clear on what it is that you want to create next year? And you don't need to have loads of goals. It might just be one goal in one area. You might want to improve your health. You might want to improve your relationships. You might want to change your work to something that you find more fulfilling. You might want to pick up a creative hobby that you used to do but have not practiced or developed or perfected recently. So there's all sorts of things that you can focus on for your vision, but this is saying keep the faith. At the moment it can be easy to feel restricted and like you can't do the things that you want to do, but this is saying hold on to your vision, keep that vision clear and strong in your mind's eye of what it is that you want to do next year. I'm actually holding a vision meditation workshop on the 2nd of January on Zoom, so I will put the link to that below. The 2nd of January is the new moon in Capricorn, so I felt that was a great way to start off the year, to get clear and focused about what it is that you want to create in 2022, because 222 is a really lovely number. It means have faith, everything is working out as it is meant to. So I think that really is the message of this year, and as we come to the end of this year, and interestingly that moon in Sagittarius is about having faith. So keep the faith of brighter days ahead and positive things that you can do. Focus on what you can do and just forget about the rest. That would be my guidance for today with this vision. Hold on to your vision of what it is that you want. Focus on what you want and not on your fears. So thank you for watching. Wishing everybody a wonderful Christmas, and I shall look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thanks for watching.